So good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on SHM. So let's discuss the worksheet. So here is the worksheet that we are being given the position of a particle as x is equals to a sine omega t, and the time period here is 2 pi by omega. The first question is xt graph. So xt graph will be like this. It will be t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t. Then is vt graph. So velocity is dx by dt. So it will be a omega cos omega t, and we know the cos graph is like this. Then is mod vt, that is speed time graph. So speed is magnitude of velocity, so the graph will be always positive. So it will not move down, just take reflection of this graph about the t-axis. So the graph will be like this. Then is acceleration time graph. So we know that acceleration is dv by dt. After calculations it comes out to be minus a omega square sine omega t. So the graph will be minus sine omega t. It will be like this. Next is kinetic energy time graph. So kinetic energy is half mv square. After calculations is come out to be this, and cos square graph is like this. Then is potential energy versus time graph. It is u naught plus half kx square, and after calculations is come out to be this. We take this set point as u naught, so drawing u naught over here, and then it will be sine square graph. Then is empty graph. So empty graph will be like this, which will be constant with respect to time. Next is we need to find time for which x is 0. So x is 0 when omega t is a multiple of pi, because we know that sine is 0 whenever the argument is a multiple of pi. So from here t comes out to be nt by 2. Then we need to find time for which velocity is 0. So velocity is 0 when omega t is odd multiple of pi by 2, because in velocity we have cos. So cos is 0 when angle is odd multiple of pi by 2, and after solving this we get t as 2n minus 1 into t by 4. Next is we just change the equation. The equation here is x is equals to a cos omega t. So the first question is xt graph. So xt graph will be like this. It will be a cos graph, so that will be the equation and graph. Next is velocity time graph. So velocity is dx by dt, which is minus a omega sine omega t. So the graph will be like this. Next is speed time graph. So speed is magnitude of velocity. It will be like this. Next is acceleration time graph. Acceleration is dv by dt, which is minus a omega square cos omega t. So the graph will be like this. Next is kt graph. So k is half mv square. The graph will be like this. Next is potential energy time graph. Potential energy is u naught plus half kx square. We assume that u naught is 0, so u will be half kx square, which is half k square cos square omega t. So the graph will be like this. Next is mechanical energy versus time graph. It will be constant, so graph will be like this. Next is we need to find time for which x is 0. So x contains omega t, so it will be 0 when omega t is odd multiple of pi by 2. So after calculations we get time is equals to 2n minus 1 into t by 4. Next is we need to find time for which velocity is 0. So velocity is 0 when omega t is equal to n pi. So it gives us t is equals to nt by 2. Next is we need to find time for which acceleration is 0. So acceleration contains sine omega t. So it will be 0 when, so acceleration contains, cos term. So it will be 0 when omega t is 2n minus 1 pi by 2. So from here it comes out to be 2n minus 1 into t by 4. Sorry, it will be t by 4 here. Next is time for which kinetic energy is 0. So same as that of speed is 0, which is nt by 2. Next is we have the equation x is equal to minus a sine omega t. So the first question is xt graph. So that will be a sine curve like this, minus sine curve. Next is vt graph. So v will be dx by dt, which is minus a omega cos omega t. So it will be like this. Next is speed time graph. So just take reflection about the t-axis. Graph will be like this. Next is kinetic energy versus time graph. So it is half mv square. So after solution it comes out to be half mv square omega square cos square omega t. So the graph will be like this. Next is potential energy versus time graph. So u is u naught plus half kx square. So that is u naught plus half k square sine square omega t. So the graph will be like this. Next is mechanical energy versus time graph. So that will be constant, it will be like this. Next is AT graph. So A is minus omega square x, which is omega square is sine omega t. Graph will be like this. Next is find the time where x is 0. So x is 0 when omega t is n pi, so that gives t is equals to nt by 2. Then next question is find the time where velocity is 0. So t comes out to be 2n minus 1 into t by 4.